All right, ready for titration number 3? Yes. All right. Um, we're selecting strong acid, strong base. We're filling the burette with a base. We're going to select, I don't know, nitric acid with potassium hydroxide. Okay, I see this filling up. Let's select an indicator of phenolphthalein. Yes. And then I'm going to go number 5. I feel lucky today. I'm going to use the slider. Let's see how we do. Let's see if I can make it a little shorter this time. You know, every time you're in a hurry doing a titration, that's exactly when you're going to mess it up. In the lab room, it entails so much cleaning up. Oh, that was pink. I don't feel like doing the slider anymore. You have to do so much cleaning up in the lab room that you learn to be very patient very quickly because you don't want to mess them up. It is such a disappointment when you mess them up. So let's see. I'm going to go by drop. You will learn very quickly that if you keep on with the slider, you're just gonna go way past. Like what happened to you on Monday? Many of you were telling me, "Oh my gosh, I added too much most of the time, or too little, and then I had to put like a million drops." But that's how it is. You're getting the right idea of what happens in a titration. It just is only for patient people. Yeah, right now I don't feel that patient, but not much we can do. I'm gonna keep going by drops. Yeah. Let's see. It doesn't seem I'm going to get that lucky. It seems that I'm going to take longer than last time. Hopefully it won't be longer. Sometimes you do it and you get really lucky. Like you get the right amount very quickly. But that doesn't seem to be the case right now. I see that pink color. Come on, stay. I know we're very close. And we need to keep doing this because otherwise our numbers would not be correct. If we stopped right now and we used those numbers to do our calculation, it wouldn't be correct. But now it would be because we got the indicator to change. We are assuming this indicator is going to tell us that we got to the end point, that every hydrogen ion found a hydroxide ion and neutralized, forming water. And that's really what you're doing in titration. You don't have any way to know unless there's an indicator. And the indicator just indicated to us that this is it, that it happened, right? Okay, so why don't you take the opportunity to do the calculation yourself. Note that the molarity of the acid is actually right down here. Molarity of the acid, nitric acid. Also note that the volume of the acid is right here. Okay, so you have M of A, V of A, right? And then you go to the other side of your formula and you see the volume of the base is 20.4. And remember that you're going to be looking for the molarity of the base. You go ahead and do that calculation and then select your answer.